So, I got my Phyn Plus today in the mail. I've been wanting to get an auto shut-off valve just to protect the house from water leaks. There's a few out there. There's a German one that starts with G. I can't remember the name of it. There's the Moen Flow, and there's the Phyn, and there's a number of other brands. But after a bit of research, I decided on the Phyn just because it doesn't come with the monthly fee that the Moen Flow comes with. And then also, it seemed to have the best reviews. The app had really good reviews. People seem really happy with this auto shut-off valve. When I was doing my research though, I wanted to find a unboxing video. Couldn't find one. So I thought I'd make my own since this arrived today. So without further ado, here it is. Take a look. If you want to read the side of the box, I can just show you what it looks like. So inside the box there, they actually tell you. So Phyn Plus, installation toolkit, installer and homeowner manuals, and then 1" to 3/4 inch fittings. Boring side. The back, they just talk about the benefits of the device. Anyway, let's open it up. Here we go. Installer guide. Your smart water assistant. I imagine that's for the homeowner. Have a little sheet here just to indicate horizontal installation, vertical installation. Little letter from Phyn. Looks like they're talking about the app that you can get off Google Play or the Apple App Store. And then they got a Phyn installation guide here. Let's see, it's just oh nice. Looks like it takes you right through the whole installation process. Color photos and all. Install it outside if you don't live in Canada. Alright, well that'll be helpful. Well, here's the device itself. So let's take it out and take a look. It's kind of heavy. Okay, well, there we go. We got the extension cord. Got the back end of it. Has the protective plastic on. I'll leave it on for now, but this one looks like it's kind of a silver color. I always thought they were black. We got the connection at the top here. Looks like a 1" threaded connection. Don't know what kind of pipe thread. Same connection on the bottom. When I was carrying the box around, I heard some fittings rattling around, so I kind of figured they're probably under here. Yeah, they are. So here's the brass fittings. There's the 1" connection for the top, and then just a reducer down to a 3/4 inch, I think is what the box said. So that'll make it easy. I'll just get an adapter that matches that pipe thread into 3/4 inch packs, and that's it for my house. I also got this Phyn installer toolkit. So I just got some cable ties. Looks like they've got some plastic securing adapters for the cable ties. Got all the screws. Oh, and these are just those little plastic anchors that you can use to hang pictures or whatever, just to secure the device. Alright, well, it looks like it's it. There's not a heck of a lot in here, but yeah, I was kind of going nuts not being able to find an unboxing video, so there you have it. It's the unboxing video for the Phyn Plus.